Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fake Cash App failed for your protection. So guys, if you want to send the money to someone is showing that this payment was cancelled for your protection or this payment was failed for your protection. So guys, if you're facing these errors, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. First of all guys, if you want to send the money to someone, just simply have to make sure that the number is saved in your contacts. Okay guys, if the number is not saved in your contacts, so that's why maybe Cash App thinks you are sending the money to a scammer. Okay guys, so you have to save the number to your contacts, and also make sure that when you are going to send the money to someone at the first time, that's why maybe you're facing the error like this, because Cash App also think that you are going to send the money to a scammer. Okay guys, so just simply have to make sure that you are not sending the money to a scammer, and also make sure that our bank has given you permission to internationally pay it. Also make sure that if you are sending the money to a bank account, then make sure that the bank account is eligible to receive this type of money. Okay guys, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to make sure that your Cash App is updated and you have to open the Cash App again. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on your profile, and after that you have to scroll it down and just simply look at for the support. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some second. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to chat section and just simply chat with the Cash App support team and tell them that you want to send the money to your relative and it's not working for you guys. It's showing that Cash App failed for your production. Tell them that and assure them that you are sending the money to your relative, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.